wonder if it's like their habitat, or they're able to go somewhere else where it's much bigger and they can run around.
Oh, I'm sure Disney has something for them like that.
I mean, not like it's a bad habitat. I mean,
What's that?
that's cool. That's weird. But it doesn't matter.
Alright, I'll finish it off. There's your little turtle.